And you find several Hadeeth of the beloved Prophet Muhammad which speaks about jihad. It's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 4, Hadith number 2784. It mentions Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, the wife of the Prophet. She asked the Prophet Muhammad that shouldn't we go for jihad? And the Prophet said, the best jihad for you is the perfect Hajj. On another occasion, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5792, that a person approached the Prophet and said, that should I go for jihad? And here the jihad, struggling, refers to fighting against the evil people. So a person asks, that should I go for jihad to fight against the evil people? So the Prophet asks him, that do you have parents? The man says, yes. So Prophet says, the best jihad for you is to serve your parents. On the other occasion, which is mentioned in Sunnah Nisai, Hadith number 4209, that a person asked the Prophet, that which is the best of jihad? And the Prophet said, the best jihad is to speak a word of truth against the tyrant ruler. Here you find that depending upon the situation, the best type of jihad, the best type of struggling keeps on differing. Sometimes the Prophet said, the best jihad is performing perfect Hajj. That is the perfect pilgrimage. On another occasion, the Prophet said, the best jihad is to serve your parents. On another occasion, the Prophet said, the best jihad, the best struggling, the best striving is to speak a word of truth against the tyrant ruler. And the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih ibn Hibban, that the Prophet said, a mujahid, person who strives, a mujahid is a person who strives against his own self for the cause of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And a muhajir, a person who migrates, is a person who migrates from evil to good. There you find that jihad is used in various different contexts. And depending upon the situation, the best type of jihad keeps on changing. So to understand the concept of jihad, you have to go to the authentic sources, that is the glorious Quran and the authentic hadith of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.